Listen up, guys. Your body is not the enemy, but when you treat it like one, it's gonna fight back. I am constantly seeing conversations around our bodies being had about the way it's shaping, the way it's performing, what its capabilities are, its performance, all of these areas, and yet none of those conversations are including our body. We're looking outside our own experience of ourselves. We're looking at other people's papers. We're swiping through Instagram, seeing what someone else did for their life. And do you not think that your body feels that? Don't you feel like it understands when you're underfeeding it, when you're under-resting it, when you're overworking it, when you're not being kind to it? That's what starts to happen when you go into those plateaus. Everybody wants some magic pill or some shortcut, but your body has lost trust with you. This is your opportunity to turn that around. Let your body be in the conversation. Start from there as where your source, what you feel, what you want, and where you want to go together, right? Mind and body, because your body is your home, so stop burning it down. Sometimes, especially if you're a beginner, it's difficult to tell whether you're going down the road of overtraining or not. And even as someone that's experienced, I've been there where sometimes your momentum starts to climb. You go for an hour workout, you stay for 90 minutes, you are gonna go 3 days that week, you went for 5. And I love this idea of throwing in extra time in workouts, but please do not let yourself be blinded by what I know a stress reliever and a benefit of your pride that working out does, and be blinded by that and end up overexerting yourself. Because what starts to happen is when your body is pushed too far, and we're not necessarily accounting for that. We're often under eating. We're often creating different stressors in our body to a point where your body will actually have a difficult time recovering. It will have a difficult time being ready for the next time you train. And when you have your body in this kind of red zone, like, far over, it's pushed, it's burning, it's grinding, it's trying, it's not really healing, it's going to stop responding. And it will start to react in ways of injury, soreness that extends for a long time, poor sleep, and even weight gain, because it's going to be fighting so hard against you because of the overexertion. It's going to try to protect itself again. So please keep that in mind. Listen to your body talk. And if you're going to increase your increments of training, do it only, I would say, a quarter hour at a time, 15 minutes at a time. If you're doing 20, go to 35s. If you're going 45s, go to 60s. You get what I mean? And I think especially if you're a beginner listening, 3 days a week is very healthy. Do that for 4 weeks. See how you feel. If you're rocking and rolling, add a day 4. And then you can go from there. But you've got to earn the right to push your body to where you want it to go.